You just received a cease and desist letter from a brand that you are selling on Amazon. What should you do? Are you going to get sued? So before we get into that, we have a Discord server for this channel, so it's the best place if you have any questions, such as this one, for me to answer your questions directly, or from other sellers, from other big sellers. So if you have Discord, if you want to join us, if you want to hang out with us, join the Discord. It's the first link in the description bar. So let me answer your questions. So I know you're worried. This cease and desist letter is not, it's not nothing, it's something, and you need to deal with it, right? So if you received a cease and desist letter from a brand that you are actually selling, the first thing you should do is trying to reach out to the brand, reach out to the group, whatever, and trying to see if the letter is actually from them. So why am I telling you to do this? It's because most of the time, if the letter actually comes from the brand, they will allow you to sell down your inventory. You will be able to find out an arrangement. Some of them will also propose you to actually buy back your inventory from you, right? So, but the main reason why you should do this is that because sometimes some guys just send out fake cease and desist letter just for you to get out of the listing. It happened to me one time. It was not from the brand. It was just from, I don't know. Someone just sent the brand to scare me away from a listing. But every single time you receive a letter, either if it's a letter or if it's through the buyer's message on Amazon, take care of it immediately. Because if you do not take care of it, it happened to me one time, you just let things slide and stuff, you're gonna get an IP alert. Because most of the brands do this before they actually send you an IP alert, right? So contact the brand, try to work out an arrangement with them, try to see if it's really from them, try to see if you can sell down your inventory. If they do not propose it to you, like just say, hey, my inventory is legit, here's my invoice and stuff, because they may ask you for that stuff. I show them the invoice and stuff, ask if you can sell down your inventory, and just tell them that you're not going to get on the listing again. It's not worth it. You do not want to get an IP alert, or you do not want that stuff. If you want to protect yourself from this type of stuff, just get the extension IP alert. It's just $200 for lifetime license, I believe. Just get the extension and just stay away from the listings where it has been reported that they've been doing IP alerts. Yeah, those cease and desist letter, take it seriously, take care of it, reach out to the brand, and yeah, you're gonna get some. You're gonna get some because you're gonna sell brands that do not pop up on how is it called, on IP alert, and you're gonna get the cease and desist letter. It happens all the time. Whether you are doing online arbitrage or retail arbitrage, it's going to happen to you. You're gonna receive these letters. Take care of it. It's not that difficult to do. Always keep your receipts. Always, because I said invoice right before, but always keep your receipt. Always keep your order confirmation emails. You can send them as well. Keep all that stuff. Keep all that stuff in an organized way, so that way you can take care of it. You can send it to whoever is asking for it, and you can keep your account in with good health metrics, and you're not gonna get suspended. So take care of them as soon as possible. I release a new video every day at 3 p.m. about Amazon sourcing and stuff. So subscribe if you do not want to miss any. Turn on notifications, whatever, all that stuff. Like this video, leave a comment, and join the Discord. All right. I'll see you over there. New video tomorrow. Check out these other videos. I'll see you tomorrow.